tomorrow is an exciting day for WWF. 1 hour, we turn off our lights at 8:30 p.m. But this year, I think may karagdagan, no? Meron pang, aside from papatayin yung ilaw, meron pa kayong gustong isulong. Kayo na po magkwento, Miss Mariel.
Yes, truly po. So tomorrow po, again, yung ating Earth Hour, I think marami sa atin ay familiar na Earth Hour as the 1 hour switch off every year from 8:30 to 9:30. But this year po, actually, we have an additional call for mga Filipinos and for everyone participating all over the world kasi Earth Hour ay isang global movement talaga. So we encourage everyone to actually do something positive for the planet also. So hindi lang po pag-switch off ng ilaw ang ating panawagan ngayong taon, kundi paggawa ng mabuti para sa kalikasan or even as simple as reconnecting with nature this year.
Like, how do you plan to, what kind of call to action are you trying to invite our listeners and viewers to? Anong pwede nilang gawin? Aside from patayin ng ilaw, alas 8:30 hanggang alas 9:30 ng gabi, dapat ba wag muna tayong gumamit ng tubig? Isarado na rin muna natin ang mga faucet para maka-conserve sa tubig? Please give us example. Sige po.
Okay, so as individuals po, marami tayong pwedeng gawin. So we can start as easy as learning more about the environment. So pwede tayong mag-spend ng ating isang oras or ng 1 hour natin watching mga palabas or mga series, documentaries tungkol sa ating kalikasan. Another way is to restore the planet. So pagpa-participate po sa ating mga cleanup activities. Kasama rin po dito yung ating live more sustainably, kumbaga. So pag-iwas sa mga single plastics, pag-check sa ating mga leakage sa bahay just to make sure that we're using our water efficiently, pag-check sa ating mga appliances. Ito po ay karagdagan lamang din sa pag-switch off natin ng ilaw. But more important, what people tend to forget, ay hindi lang naman po yan yung pwede natin gawin. Another important thing that we do during Earth Hour is actually connect with the planet. Kasi for us po, yan din yung pinaka-importante. For us to have that commitment and sense of pagpapahalaga sa ating kalikasan is to be able to feel that connection. So kahit as simple as a nature walk or like just sitting and then meditating and reconnecting with nature to really appreciate the beauty niya, and not just the beauty, no, but also how profoundly it impacts us as people. So yun po yung mga simpleng bagay na pwede natin gawin. Pero as a community, we could also join yung ating mga switch-off activities or switch-off events. Pwede rin tayong magsama-sama bilang isang pamilya para mas matuto, magkwentuhan tungkol sa mga kwentong klima. Pwede tayong sumama sa ating mga kaibigan also. So yun po yung mga simple ways that we can do as individuals, as groups, and as families to support Earth Hour. Pero sa amin po sa WWF, meron kami tinatawag na R-Bank. So yung R-Bank po ay isang tool. It's an online tool. We have one for the international and for the Philippines. Kung naghahanap pa po tayo ng mga activities na gusto natin gawin for Earth Hour, meron po tayo mga suggested activities doon. We can choose from the activities and we can commit or log our hours. So pwede pong 1 oras yung activity, 2 oras. So pwede nyo po siyang i-check out sa wwf.org.ph at pumili kayo ng gusto ninyong activity, whether it's reconnecting with the planet, learning more about the planet, or restoring the planet and inspiring others. So meron po tayong options doon. Pwede tayo mag-participate doon at kayang-kaya natin siyang gawin even from the comfort of our homes.
Okay. So ang tema this year, Mariel, switch off and secure water for all. Buka yatang tututukan ang tubig and the conservation of water. Natalakay namin ito dito sa aming programa kung saan ang tubig.
Is there something that's happening tomorrow that people can go to?
Yes po. WWF, wala kaming main event talaga, but I'll be promoting yung mga pwede nilang puntahan ng mga local switch-off events. So meron po ang Makati, meron po sa Ayala Triangle Gardens. Meron din po tayo sa Quezon City, sa Ipoh yun. And of course, Rizal Park. Rizal Park always has a switch-off activity or switch-off event naman po every year. So these are some of the switch-off events that we know of that they could attend. And all the others naman, yung mga establishments natin, lagi nagpa-participate sa switch-off. Pero ito po yung may mga program. That you could learn more. May WWF representative.
Ayan.
So, message mo na lang, Mariel, before we let you go.
Ano po?
Message mo na lang before we let you go,
Ay,
please.
Sige po. So, maraming salamat po sa lahat. Tomorrow po ay another Earth Hour, and ang lagi naman naming call is to help us make this the biggest hour for Earth. So, wag lang po tayong mag-switch off ng ilaw, gumawa rin po tayo ng something positive for the planet. Ako po ay nananawagan most especially sa ating mga kabataan because this is something that is very relevant to your future. And we would like, since all eyes on Earth Hour, lahat ng attention po natin ay nakapoon ngayon sa Earth Hour, oras na po para we come together in solidarity. This is something that we are all in the same team, especially because this is about our shared goal and our shared dream of having to protect our home and having to protect our planet. So dito po lahat tayo nagkakaisa po talaga. Unahin po natin itong advocacy natin on Earth Hour. Naniniwala po ako na in the Philippines, we could be able to register more hours this year. Last year po, nag-number 3 tayo sa Global Hour Bank, 116,000 hours, only behind China and India. So
let's get together. Sunnet 25. Sunnet 25.